Abigail, the respiratory therapy student. I understand that you just came out of surgery. Is that right?
Yeah, I just got surgery. I don't feel too good.
Okay, all right. So, well, today, right now, I'm here to teach you how to use your incentive spirometer.
Okay.
So, what this is for is just to help re-expand your lungs after your surgery, and help basically just get your lungs back to how they were before you came into the surgery.
Okay.
And so you can, go home faster, and yeah, you'll be feeling a lot better. So, the way you use this is that you're going to be breathing in through this mouthpiece.
Okay.
So inhaling. So first you're going to be exhaling fully, then place the mouthpiece inside your mouth, and then I want you to inhale, breathe in slowly and as long as you can.
I'm gonna go ahead and take exhalation out, and then go ahead and take an inhale, and I want to go ahead and see if the piston rise up to my marker point here.
Yeah, and this is your goal for right now. So you're going
Okay.
to try to breathe in as much as you can and try to reach all the way up here.
Okay.
And then over time, we're gonna keep on raising this goal up more and more and more until we see that you're improving and you're feeling better.
Okay.
And just keep in mind when you're doing this, like also keep an eye on this little indicator here.
Okay.
Try to keep it in the middle of these two arrows so that you're not breathing too fast or too slow. Nice sustained inhalation, and then once you breathe in, I want you to hold your breath for like 5 seconds, or
Okay.
until the piston like goes back down.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so I'll go ahead and try.
Yeah. And exhale. Nice.
Okay. And how many times am I doing this?
I want you to do this like 10 times an hour, okay?
Okay, 10
So-
times in an hour?
Yeah, so not back to back, because then you're gonna be feeling dizzy. I'm gonna put this on. So, yeah, so like once I see you're watching the show here, so about like once every time there's a commercial that pops up.
Okay.
So yeah, I want you to do that 10 times an hour, and then
Every time there's a commercial break.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
That shouldn't be too bad.
And if you're feeling any pain in your incision site, what also helps with the pain is just grabbing, say, this pillow you have here.
Okay.
Just press it against your incision site and hold it nice and firm while you're doing your incision spirometry, and that's gonna help with the pain.
Okay.
Keep it nice and firm.
Alright. Sounds good. I think I can go ahead and do this.
All right, cool. All right, so let me know or let the nurse know if you need anything, and yeah, we'll be right here to assist in whatever you need. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Have a nice one.